different kind of kidnapping. Sabi ko nga, hindi lang to kidnapping, and how we see it, it's more of, I guess, sorry, I just want to, more than that, and we'll just come up with the investigation after this. We just want to clarify kung talagang how it was done. But we have already mga leads that will entail us. Ang hiningi lang po namin with our the beloved SOJs to help us with yung kaso po natin, build up yung cases natin. So we'll be sharing mga leads po natin with the PNP what we got. And of course, they got something kasi tama po si SOJ. That was last week po namin pinag-uusapan niya. We're sharing notes, what happened, and sabi ko nga, may malaki kasi yung twist eh. So hanggang doon lang po ako after ng investigation. After we have completed the investigation and filed the cases, doon na po kami magsasalita what really transpired during the whole